It's 5 till 11 on a Friday night, January the 29th. No, the 28th, 2022. We were in the same location a week ago, showing you the snow, and here we go again. These flakes are much bigger than last week's flakes. There's some wet snow, and it's already sticking and accumulating here on the road here near Virginia Beach Boulevard. So it's definitely beautiful flakes coming down here. And we're expecting this to continue all night until tomorrow about 11 a.m. before it tapers off west to east here at Virginia Beach. Could have 4 or 5 inches of snow and more up on the eastern shore where there's a blizzard warning. But here in Virginia Beach, we're under a winter storm warning. But definitely you can see that beautiful, beautiful flakes coming down here. And I think it's going to continue. That's for sure. We rarely get snow 2 weeks in a row that's going to be accumulating here at Virginia Beach. So this is definitely a rarity. Snow, we get snow in the winter, but usually not so close back to back like that.